Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today is day 35 working on Project Betty, the 76 Monarch. Last night I came in here with my leaf blower and I blew off as much dust and debris off the lights and garage door opener, chain fall, and as much as I could. And then I just figured I'd let it settle overnight and come in here today and clean it off again. See, I got it everywhere and there's lots of it on the car. So I'm going to wash the car down. I got me another bucket of water with Dawn dish soap. And I'm going to get things ready for clear coat. I keep saying that. Sooner or later, it's going to happen. Stay tuned. Now it's plastic time. Got me another roll of plastic. Ran out of the other stuff. So we're going to try this. I'm going to tape plastic on the windshield and roof, and then I'm going to come across the side of the car here. I think I'll just open the door, shove the plastic in behind the door and close it, cover up the whole back half of the car. So I'm going to cut this plastic off with a roll. Of course, I grab scissors that won't cut plastic. Jesus criminy. Come on, Murphy. I just started in here. Give me a break. Okay. I'm gonna find some different scissors. Here, I'll use these. Alright, I got sidetracked. I'm gonna have to regroup and start over. Okay, I finally have the car covered up to my liking. I got the plastic on there and I taped it to keep it taut so it doesn't flap around. Just found a black spot on the roof of the plastic. That's not good. What I'm going to do next, get my wax and grease remover, scrub the car down good, and while that's drying off, I'm going to mix up the clear. I was trying to figure out how much. See, when I did the side of the car, I used roughly 15, 16 ounces. Now I'm going to do more, so I'm going to mix a quart. If I need to make more, I will. But a quart sprayable should give me a good coat on the car. So that's what I'm going to do. Clean the car, mix the paint or clear, and spray. Been vacillating on the mixing a quart of paint or clear. I'm going to go for a quart and a half. I'd rather have too much and have to waste a little bit than not enough and have it set up before I can get more stuff mixed and put on, because I'm going to be using that accelerator in the clear, which makes it dry faster. And I don't want to have a problem. So I'm going to mix up a quart and a half. Before I spray, I'm going to take that bucket of water, cover the floor, help keep the dust down, and then go for it. So, cross your fingers and your toes, say a prayer, and wish me luck. Because it looks like today I'm going to get the front half of the car clear coated. Car's cleaned off. My clear is mixed up. I'm getting a tack rag. I'm going to go over the car. This is just to get any dust that has fallen on it since I cleaned it. A lot going through my head right now. But like I said, cross your fingers and toes and say a prayer and wish me the best. I'm about to finally spray clear on the front half of the car. It would be truly wonderful if I don't have to put any more on. We're going to find that out soon though. Because once I spray it on, I'm going to come back in about 20 minutes and look at it. And that's where I'll see if it's got runs and sags or not. I'm going to try to get it to go on shiny. That reminds me, I want to get a flashlight and hook it onto my gun so I can see the reflection of the car when I'm spraying. And I could hopefully see if it's going on dry or shiny. This isn't going to be a perfect paint job. I can tell already by just looking at my body work and sanding those runs out. I got them knocked down but not out. So there's still going to be some runs and sags visible. You know, that's already there. I hope I don't put any more in there. But enough yakking. Time to get my suit on and get to work. Okay, it's showtime. I put in 20 milliliters of that $136 bottle of accelerator. I have 64 ounces. No, I don't. I have 48 ounces of clear. Quart and a half. Got my strainer. I'm going to pour it in my cup. Okay. About half. Close my Ziploc bag. Try not to dump any of it. Top on my gun. I strapped the flashlight to the side of the gun. I'm going to try this. I haven't tried that before. So, here we go, folks. Looks good. Start at the bottom. I already had the water on the floor. I think I might like that light. Okay, that's about all you're going to get to see. Okay, it's an hour later. It's finally looking good. Got some nice shine to the hood. Looks fairly smooth. I don't see a lot of black trash in it. The sides look pretty good. Overall, I guess I'm happy. I do have a couple runs here and there, but it's clear, and I'll be able to sand and get the rubbing compound buffer and buffalate them out of there. What I'm going to do now is spray the rest of my clear, because I still have almost 24 ounces in here and a little bit in my gun, mainly on the sides of the car. If I have some more, I might put another coat on the hood. It really doesn't need it. But, yeah, it's looking good. Now, what I can do today is finish this second coat, let it dry. Then tomorrow, I can reverse the procedure. Put the plastic on the front half, and then spray a couple coats on the back. But that's going to be the end of day 35 working on Project Betty, the 76 Monarch. Whoops, dropped my sign. I thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please stay tuned to my channel for day 36 when I spray the rest of the car. Thank you.